this episode, I'm going to finally round out the workshop series of the Cervélo Caledonia. Anthony Challinor from Velofix is going to put the finishing touches to what's a beautiful bike. There's been 5 parts of the series, and you can find them on Ride Media's YouTube channel. In this final episode, we consider the SRAM Blips. They're tiny little shifters underneath the handlebars, or you can put them wherever you like.
We'll go like that there.
It comes with a short cable and a tiny little button. It allows for a little bit more hand positioning. When I first received the SRAM Force Axis group set, I wasn't certain I'd need the blips. The more I ride it, with the blips on the handlebars, the more I appreciate having that extra hand position. Anthony talks through the basics of just where to put it, and how, and where, and why.
That's it. Done.
Well, that's it already. You just plug it in and it's done.
Yeah, it's plug and play.
Oh, okay. That's pretty simple.
Now we can go. Because what I was thinking is we go up to a point. No, you know what we're going to do? We don't have to have it that way. So the way these are made, we can actually cut that. So we might go to the end of the tape and have it sitting out the end of the tape, yeah?
Perfect.
We can't go too far, look at that. So we can't go that far.
Okay.
So if we're going back, what I'll do to give you more clearance, I'll put it further under.
Yeah.
So what I might do, I'm going to end it right there, so we can get right in line with that, with the blip. Yep, absolutely does.
You like that?
And I'll just trim that and we're done. Beautiful. Done. Perfect.
Super. Thanks very much, Anthony.
No worries.
Absolutely, always a pleasure.
Awesome. Thanks, Rob.